Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford Escape battery step by step. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal and any hold-down clamps. Keep track of small parts and inspect cables for corrosion, cleaning terminals with a baking soda paste if needed. Slide the old battery out, position the new battery, reconnect positive then negative, secure the hold down, and test electrical systems. Before you start, make sure you have gloves, eye protection, and a 10 mm wrench set ready, and verify battery group size and cold cranking amps. Park the vehicle securely, open the hood, and locate the battery while keeping electronics off. Remove any plastic covers, then loosen the negative terminal first and remove it, followed by the positive terminal and hold down clamp. Swap batteries carefully, reattach terminals in reverse order, and double-check connections and operation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep sharing useful, hands-on car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh cabin scent you'll enjoy while working on your vehicle. It's an easy, fun upgrade that brightens the project. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the battery with both hands and keep it upright to avoid spills, using a strap or tray if available for safe lifting and placement. When installing, ensure the battery is seated properly in the tray and that the hold-down clamp is secure to prevent movement while driving. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and test starting and electronics. Finally, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease and verify there are no warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.